Accessible research summary. Availability of national obesity data for high school students with disabilities. A large number of American children are overweight and obese. Childhood obesity causes an increased risk of health conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and asthma. Obese children may be more depressed and have lower self-esteem. Obese children are also more likely to be obese adults. Children with disabilities are more likely to be obese than children without disabilities because of individual and environmental factors. Not a lot of research has focused on children with disabilities and their higher risk for obesity. There is not a lot of available long-term national data about the weight of children with disabilities. For this reason, the purpose of this study was to examine national obesity data for children with disabilities, particularly students in high school. Key findings. All states tracked health of high school students, including obesity. However, there was often no differentiation between students with and without disabilities. Those states that collect data about obesity of students with disabilities did so inconsistently, making it harder to track students over time. Surveys had inconsistent definitions of disability, which made it hard to compare and track students. In order to strengthen national data about children with disabilities' health and obesity, the study suggests more collaboration between states and national agencies, such as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or the CDC. Another suggestion is to include consistent questions about disability based on the International Classification of Function, Disability, and Health Model, or ICF. This Accessible Research Summary Brief series is brought to you by the Institute on Disability and Human Development at University of Illinois at Chicago.